click on the image. At the top, go to Edit. In Magic Studio, go to the right and click Image to Video. So this is for Pro Plan users only. You can either auto-generate a video or you can prompt it the image based on your own desires. So I'm just going to go ahead and show auto-generate this video. So Canva is going to bring this image to life by generating a 3-second video. So in this image, it looks like a herd of wildebeest, zebras. They're all moving across a river. And you can see here, Canva has made this image realistic. And you can see now that the herd is doing its best to cross the river. You can also prompt it. Let's say I want to add a lion in this image. So this does require a little bit of testing and a little bit of patience, but I'm just going to go ahead and type in realistic lion hunting herd. So hopefully this will generate a lion hunting the herd, and we'll see what Canva gives us here. So sometimes it doesn't give you the exact result, so you can just hit generate again. And if that doesn't work, usually you'll have to change up your prompts so that Canva can understand what it is that you're trying to do with your image. It does take a little bit of testing and trial and error to get it to where you want to get it to. So you can see here now Canva has added a few lions here. So, I mean, overall, it's still not the most realistic, but for this purpose of bringing the image to life, it's pretty good. And you can see how the herd looks like they're scattering across because they see, a bunch of lions hunting them. So let's just say for this example, I'm going to go ahead and accept it. So I just add new video to the design. And so what was once an image now is now a video. One more thing I want to point out is that if I'm using photos in Canva to try to bring this image to a video, I can only use free photos. If, for example, I try to come over to photos and I try to use a image that only pro users can use, and I try to do the same thing, this will not let me do that. You can see the image to video doesn't work on pro media. Try selecting another image. So this feature of turning an image to a video, it only works for free images. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.